make sure you do it on full blast.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Full Blast Garage. On this one, we're going to change it up a little bit and just do a little quick product install review. And if you're not familiar, I did another video. This is my 2024 Polaris Ranger. It's an HD Crew 1000, and I was looking for something on the internet to cover my windshield during transport, and I came across this company, StarknightMT, and they have all kinds of products for your side-by-sides, ATVs, off-road stuff, and just really wanted something to protect from rock chips, you know, while this thing's going down the road. And that's kind of what this windshield cover is made for. But also, one of the really cool things is you can put this on during bad weather and the snow's not going to stick to your windshield. And since pretty much the whole country's under an Arctic freeze, and I hear this stuff called snow, it's snow, that's what it is. We're gonna get some of it, so why not just test out the old windshield cover and see if it keeps it from sticking on there. And we'll go through the install process now. So that's as easy as it is. Place it up on your windshield, 3 latches, tighten her up to wherever it needs to be to kind of hold it firm up against your windshield, and just let it sit and do its job. So we're gonna let this thing sit out facing north for the next 24 hours, and we'll see how much snow we can accumulate on this thing if we actually get any. And then we'll peel her off, see if anything's stuck. All right, y'all, next day update. You know, I'm kind of a winter weather expert being from Texas, and I'd say it probably snowed at least a foot or two. Look. So, with all that and the hard freeze we had, how did the StarkNight windshield cover hold up? Did it keep all the ice off the windshield? Let's go ahead and remove it and see. Crunchy. It's like magic. There's no ice stuck to the windshield. All right, so if you guys live in an area where you get a lot of winter weather, a lot of ice and snow, and you want something that'll keep that buildup off your windshield where you can just pull it off and go in the morning, I would look into this StarkNight window cover. They make them for just about all makes and models, side-by-sides. So if you got a windshield, I would take the time, look into it. It's a super cheap, easy to install option. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and next time I'm sure we'll be back with more Full Blast Garage wrenching material, but just kind of wanted to go over this since we're 3/4 of the country's in like a winter storm, so maybe this will help somebody. So until you see me again, just go out, do something that makes you happy, but make sure you're doing it on full blast. I'll see y'all later.